My name is Beata Bienias and I'm from Poland and I'm 36 years old. I tried for a baby already like 7 years, 4 years with the fertility clinic, and the biggest issue was that I have a polycystic ovaries. What's going with this? I was very overweight, so the bigger issues was my weight to get pregnant. I tried many diets, I tried lots of years. Sometimes it was alright, I lost 1 stone or few pounds, but not so much, so the doctor could help me get pregnant. Then I met a wonderful person. It was Jackie Beckett. She's a consultant of Cambridge Weight Plan, and she helped me lose the weight. So on my whole journey I lost 5 stone. When the doctor found out, and they was really proud and pleased, and they see that I really want to get pregnant, so we get our treatment for IVF start with them. So this start in February. February get decision, and we start all the treatments, injections and all the treatment in April. 2nd of May 2018 we had 1 embryo transfer. After 14 days we done the pregnancy test, which was positive, so we were really happy. Or we done like 6 or 7 pregnancy tests, because that was really unusual. After 4 weeks time we go back to the clinic and we have a first scan, so they have to confirm that we are really pregnant. And on the scan everything was fine, and the nurse was lovely. She said on the beginning they saw the embryo is really small, we can't see straight away everything. But then when she turned to my husband and she asked him if he would like to sit down, we said, well, is something wrong? And my husband said, no, he's fine. And she turned to him and said, well, we have a triplet in here. Well, that was quite amazing and unbelievable. I didn't know how this happened. And first of all, we think there will be triplets that will be identical, but the doctor said it's impossible because we have an embryo transfer on the 5th day. So the thing was that we have 1 baby from IVF treatment, and 2 of them conceived naturally.